This is a 1998 Dodge Ram 1500 and it has a check engine light on. And it's showing a code PO720 output shaft speed sensor circuit. There is a speed sensor on the driver's side of the pickup on the back of the transmission, and I'm going to test that. You can see the sensor right there, back of the transmission on the driver's side. To remove the plug from the sensor, there's a connector here. So I'm going to pull this up and then pull the plug off. It might leak a little transmission fluid out, so you'll want to have something under there to catch it. I'm going to test the sensor with an ohm meter. And you can see this one is bad. And here's the new sensor. When you put in the new sensor, make sure the threads go in and it doesn't get cross-threaded. Be careful not to over-tighten. Replace the plug and make sure the clip is fully connected. It should snap into place. So now that I've replaced the sensor, I'm going to erase the codes and take it for a test drive.